Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying power and basic input choices so you don't chase phantom problems. Make sure device volume and app volume are up and not muted. Inspect cables and connectors for bends or loose jacks. Once done, switch to headphones or a second source to determine whether the issue is the speaker, cable, or signal path. This first set of checks narrows the field quickly, and it prevents wasted time on complex settings if the fix is simply a loose plug. Next, you move into software and routing where most subtle problems lie. Open your operating system sound panel and confirm the correct default device and per app outputs. Mismatched routing often causes silence. Update drivers or firmware and restart the audio service or the app to clear stuck processes. Make sure enhancements are disabled and sample rates match between apps and devices. Mismatched rates cause clicks or silence. If needed, create a simple loopback test. Finally, focus on hardware substitution and final verification. Swap cables, adapters, or speakers methodically, replacing one element at a time so you can identify the faulty part without guesswork. If you use an audio interface, power cycle it and test with direct monitoring disabled to isolate latency or driver issues. Once the replacement confirms the problem, make the repair or reorder parts. If things still fail, one troubleshooting tip: always test with a known good device first to determine whether the fault.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.